Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix camera not working problem on Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now let's dive in. Step 1. First, start by unlocking your device and try to open the camera app. If it doesn't launch or crashes, the issue could be due to a minor glitch. In many cases, a simple restart can fix temporary software bugs, so go ahead and restart your phone. Once it powers back on, try opening the camera again to check if it works. Step 2. If restarting didn't solve the problem, go to your home screen, then open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Apps. This will open a list of all installed apps. Step 3. Scroll through the list and find Camera. Tap on it, then scroll down and select Storage. Now tap on Clear Cache first, and then Clear Data. Note, clearing data will reset the app's settings, but won't delete your photos or videos. After that, try reopening the camera app. This step often fixes app-specific bugs or corrupted data. Step 4. Go back to the camera app settings, then tap on Permissions. Look for camera in the list and make sure it's set to Allow. Also, make sure that microphone and storage permissions are enabled if needed. Then go back and try to launch the camera again. Sometimes, missing permissions prevent the app from working properly. Step 5. If your camera still isn't working, it might be due to a bug in the current version of Android. Go to Settings, then go to Software Update, and tap on Download and Install. Your phone will now check for any available system updates. If there's an update available, download and install it. Updates often contain bug fixes and performance improvements that may resolve your issue. Step 6. If the problem continues, the next step is to factory reset your phone, but don't do this yet. First, back up all important data like photos, contacts, and files to your Samsung account, Google Drive, or another storage service. Step 7. Go to Settings, then go to General Management, tap on Reset, and tap the Factory Data Reset. Scroll down and tap Reset. Before resetting, make sure your phone battery is at least 60%. Your phone is connected to Wi-Fi. Then follow the on-screen instructions. This will erase all data and return your device to its original factory settings. After the reset is complete, the camera should be working perfectly again. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.